Today I am reading the medicine Sina from the book Soul of Remedy, book written by Dr. Rajan Shankaran. Sina. Sina is a remedy of the plant kingdom and that belongs to the soric miasm. It is closely allied to the chamomilla. The main feeling of both these remedies is that they are not getting enough attention from their parents. Chamomilla reacts to this by loud shrinking and demanding not quietened unless carried, whereas Sina react with irritability and temper tantrums such as throwing things, capriciousness, and pushing away her parents. That's why the rubric touch aversion to being, caresses aversion to being, indifference to caresses, and striking in children, etc. As if to say, where were you when I need you? The need for attention in Sina is therefore seen as a refusal and rejection of the same, and as a capriciousness which involves also demanding many things without knowing what they want. It is a kind of pest-like behavior, with frequent complaining and demanding of attention, a kind of behavior that make you want to avoid or push away the child rather than giving him immediate attention. I have often wondered if there is a connection between the pest-like behavior of the child and the tendency to warm. In any case, the worms themselves produce some constant irritations, causing the child to bore his fingers into the orifice and to become very uneasy. The symptom of Sina are the child's refused hair cutting is one of the one I have verified. Having a haircut has to do with the touch, caresses, nearness, and trust, which is Sina child is aversion to. Caresses are of no use, and this is the main symptom of the Sina. Sina often lies on the abdomen or takes a knee elbow positions during the sleep. It should be included under the rubric lying on a hand and knee ameliorates in Phatak repertory. Rubrics are capriciousness, caresses aversion to being, disconnected, displeased, dissatisfied everything with, fear approaching of others, children cannot bear to have anyone come near them, carried desire to be, indifference caresses to, Kant says appetite increased during the fever, Patak says aversion to approach, caresses proof against, stiffen out, they become stiff. This is all about the Sina. And another medicine is Coca. Coca belongs to the group of drug remedies. Its mesmeric ranges between psychotic to cancer. There are two main feelings essential to coca is the first is the feeling that it is too risky to get out of one's place of security because of the threat which is there outside. The second feeling is that one is expected to perform and to reach the great heights far beyond the ordinary. These two are the necessity of coca. There is a need to great deed, so the person remained isolated in his castle, thinking and trying to reach the height which others expect from him. Like cannabis, Coca too is a loner in a place, but he is also one who is expected to perform. He is an isolated genius. It is very difficult for him to make communication or establish connection with other people. But his intelligence works overtime, all the time stimulate, excited, reaching great heights. Great intellectual like Freud were known to be a cocaine addict. Even the literary character Sherlock Holmes is known to have used to get cocaine. Cocaine is always consumed when alone in isolated state, not like cannabis. Cannabis were taken with groups. The need is to perform and reach to the great height. The need to do extraordinary things makes of coca good remedy for mountain climber. Fear of height and fear of falling are naturally accompanying the symptoms. Also, the coca could be included the performance group of the remedies like gelsemium, argentum nitricum, aurum, etc. Coca has a stage fright and peacefulness. Like cannabis indica and other drugs remedy, drug remedy, it has a beautiful vision and the feeling to be spaced out, cared in a space, the isolated feeling, etc. But coca is the only drug remedy that desired grandeur. It also has delusion of being a great person. Rubrics are: delusion hears unpleasant voice about himself. Delusion criticizes of being like cocaine. Delusion beautiful. Delusion vision has beautiful. 4 second feeling sensation of the isolation. Timidity and bashful. Industrious mania for the work. Washing her hands always. Fear falling off. Delusion greatness of his body part. Patak Matria Medica says, illness is in society. Allen also says illness is in society. Sense of impending death. Personal appearance neglected. This is all about coca. Thank you for listening.